5 things that only breast cancer survivors know. Number 1, the strength that you did not know that you had. Facing a diagnosis can be terrifying. And you know when you come on the other side that, wow, the courage and resilience that you were able to dig into to make it through this. It's something that you never even knew that existed. And so discovering that ability to endure and thrive in the face of incredible challenge, it can actually be a gift. Number 2, the power of perspective. Life's small frustrations now are like not even something that we're going to be bothered with being stressed out by. We know now to focus on things like love, joy, living with intention. That's what's important to us these days. Number 3, the bonds of a shared experience. Listen, our loved ones, they do their best and we are grateful for them. But there's just something that us as survivors really, really understand of each other that our loved ones, they just can't understand unless they're survivors as well. The beauty in rebuilding. Survivors embrace the chance to rebuild their lives because we are so broken down, right? And we rebuild physically, mentally, spiritually. It's about crafting a life filled with purpose and passion and protection of ourselves in ways that we never even knew that we could so much put ourselves first. And number 5 is living in the present. Listen, we learn to live in the moment. We learn to cherish the moments. We learn to not be thinking about what we're going to answer to what they're saying, but we are really listening to what they're saying. And we're taking as many moments as we can to completely enjoy the quality time with our loved ones because we now realize how important it is, more than answering the text or the cell phone or the email. Now, these are truths that are born through a journey of adversity, through triumph, through challenges together, to understanding the priceless value of now, as I mentioned. This is like almost like a spider, like weaving a new web, right? We're weaving a new web of life and doing the best that we can in the way that we come out. Because sometimes people say, well, actually, a lot of times they're saying like, you're different than before you had cancer. It's like, no shit.